Having grew up in the city and a big family, the word quiet simply did not exist for the most part of my life. And it wasn't until I moved out of the city that I understood what the concept was. At first, I didn't like the silence. I would miss the hustle and bustle of city life and would often find myself going back because that was the only life I knew. And so for a while, the traveling back and forth became the norm for me. It wasn't until much later on in my life that I finally appreciated the quiet and simple life. While city life was exciting, it was also very stressful. With so much to do and so many people to see, I would often feel a void in my life despite having a busy social life and always having people around. At the time, I didn't know why I felt that way, and it took me a very long time to figure out why that was. I needed my own space, to hear my own thoughts, to feel what I needed to feel, to get to know myself, to simply slow down. Although I am no longer living a busy and stressful life, I am grateful for the experiences I had while living in the city. I have to admit it was fun and exciting, but it is a life that I surely will not miss. Nowadays, you can often find me in the kitchen, testing out new recipes, tending my vegetable garden, getting lost in a good book, or just simply daydreaming. If there's one advice I could give to anyone, I would encourage you to always make time for yourself no matter how busy your life may be. Quiet moments in solitude have helped me stay calm and grounded in my daily life and in many situations. It is in these moments that I am truly at peace.